Hello guys, welcome back to StreamLabHQ. I know it's been a while, but we took a short break to enable us, sort some things out. And the good news is that we are back and we are fully back for the holiday. To keep you updated with the latest working apps for your live TV, for your entertainment need, for movies, for your sports, anything that you're looking for. You know how we normally do it, okay? So today's video is going to be about the latest working app that provides you an all-in-one entertainment solution, be it your live TVs, be it your movies, if you're looking for anime, anything at all that you're looking for, it's all in this app. And I'll be sharing this app with you if you can give me a few minutes of your time. So I'll walk you through this step-by-step guide of setting this app up. And I would like to tell you on time that the app is not on the regular Amazon App Store. So you just need to give me a few of your minutes and I'll tell you how to install and configure it the right way so that to give you access to whatever you're looking for. Okay, so with that being said, I usually advise you guys, it's always better you use any app after you've turned on your VPN. Okay, in my own case, I use the IP Vanish VPN, and if you already have any VPN account or any VPN at all you are using, it is perfect, you can use it. But if you don't have yet, you can support the channel by using our affiliate link. I'll be leaving it in the description. Okay, you'll be getting a huge discount and I'll be getting a little commission from it as well. So after turning on your VPN, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your Fire TV stick is jailbroken, and you can only do that by enabling developer options in your Fire TV stick settings. Okay, you don't need to panic. I'll just walk you through a quick way to do that. So to do that, you need to go to settings. Okay, and here where you have my Fire TV, you click it. Depending on the model of the Fire TV stick you're using, you're going to be seeing the name of your Fire TV stick here. So in my own case, it is my Fire TV. I'll open it, and here where you have about, you're going to open it as well. So you can see we have the name of our Fire TV here, storage, network, and install updates. So you are going to click on the Fire TV multiple times. Okay, you can see that pop up saying no need, you're already a developer. If this is the first time of trying to install third-party apps or trying to access developer options on your Fire TV, you need to do this so that you'll be able to give access to all those apps in order for them to work perfectly well on your device. So after turning that on, you're going to go back to the previous page and you open developer options. Okay, so you're going to turn on this ADB debugging by clicking on the select button. Okay, after doing that, you go back to the home page, and on this page now, we're going to be downloading an app from the App Store that will be helping us install this app, this wonderful app I'm about to introduce to you guys. So to do that, you have to go to App Store and you open it. Okay, my internet connection is a bit slow, so you have to go to search and press the select button to search. So you can use the Alexa button on the remote to search or to use the voice search option, but I will just do a quick type in here so that we'll see the app I'm looking for. And we'll be installing the downloader app, so the name is downloader. Okay, you've seen the suggestion here, so I'm going to click on this first one. No, that's not it. Good. This first app that has an orange and a D icon with an arrow pointing down, this is the one we're going to be installing. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so I'll click on it again to download. Okay, so it's downloading. So guys, while it is downloading and you are finding this tutorial helpful, I wanted to share a little appreciation by subscribing so you don't miss out on our coming videos. Okay, we've downloaded it now, but you don't have to open it yet. There's a quick setting we need to do before we can start using this app. So I'll have to go back to the home page again. And now that we're on the home page, we'll go to the settings icon again, and we open my Fire TV option. Okay, then we're going to open developer options again, and we're going to open this install unknown apps. Okay, so we have the downloader that we just installed now, and you can see it has not the installation from this app has not been enabled. That's why you are seeing off here. So to enable that, you have to click on it or select it to turn it on. So it is turned on already, and now we can now use our downloader app. Okay, so with this being done, we have to go back to the home page again. Now we can use the downloader app to install this app I've been telling us about. So I'm going to open it, and this is it here. So I'll open it. Okay, you're going to click OK. So guys, this is a very critical stage in this tutorial, and I want you to make sure that we are going to enter this particular code the same way I'm going to enter it. And please be sure that you don't make any mistake here, because if you make any mistake, you won't be able to download the app I'm talking about. Okay, so I'll be entering the code, and I'll also leave it on the screen as well. So make sure if you have to pause the video, you just pause it and make sure you get the code. And I'll be very I won't be moving too fast so that you'll be able to be carried along. Okay, so this is the code, guys. 408 okay, so that is it. 4087399. Okay, so after entering it, click on go and allow it to connect. You give it some time to redirect to the official app. Okay, and please make sure you don't skip this video. There is a particular setting we need to do before we can start using this app. So, and make sure you also follow this tutorial. You don't need to open it immediately after installing too. So just give me some minutes of your time so that you don't miss out on this important step, please. So you just allow it to download. Okay, and please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please, I want you to show a little appreciation by clicking on that subscribe button. We upload videos on coding and so many other stuffs that are related to your Fire TV stick, how to get the best out of your Fire TV stick. Okay, so I'm going to promise you that you are going to enjoy your holiday if you subscribe to this channel. Okay, so this is the app, and like I told us earlier, we're going to install first, and after installing, I don't want you to open it yet until you do this particular settings. Okay, so you click on install and allow it to install. So it is installed now. You don't need to open yet, just click on done. And I want you to download to delete this APK file. Okay, the essence is that it will not occupy unnecessary space on your Fire TV stick, and it will make your Fire TV stick to be very faster. But when you just open the app outrightly, you won't be able to delete the raw APK file. Okay, and at the end of the day, your Fire TV stick will be lagging and be having all sorts of problems. So with that being said, we are going to click on the delete, and we delete it. So it's been deleted, and we can go back to the home page now. Okay, to access this our newly installed app, you need to go to the applications, and this is it here. So with this app, you'll be able to have access to everything you're looking for. Okay, and make sure that if you found this tutorial helpful, I want you to show appreciation by hitting that subscribe button. Okay, and like I promised you earlier, coming weekend, we are going to be uploading so many videos on how to set up your Fire TV stick, with the best and latest working apps. So don't miss out on the coming tutorials, and the only way you can make sure you don't miss out is by hitting that subscribe button, guys. So with that being said, I think we are done with the tutorial for today. And please, if you encountered any issue at all, you can just leave a comment in the comment section. Okay. I'll also be leaving the code on the description. Okay, so you'll be able to get this app too from there. So make sure, guys, you subscribe to this channel. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next weekend. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.